freedom and war. One field, two directions, not separate one. Freedom, the field open, war, the field closed. Same water, two states, not two waters, one. Freedom, the field open, the part is the whole is the part. One water, one field, the root is freedom. The water holds the field, not a service or return. The field closed, the part is not the whole is not the part. Two waters, two fields, the root is war, the field holds the water, not a return, a split. Two roots, one field, freedom, the field open, war, the field closed, not two waters, one, not two fields, one. The reverse is the recognition. Freedom, war, one field. The field holds the water holds the field. Two roots, freedom and war. One field, two directions. The reverse is the recognition. The claim is the dialect. The dialect is the claim. One water, one field, one reverse. The claim is not the sword. The word is not the cut. The part is not the field. The field is not the part. KHALID, the sword. The claim dissolves, the sword remains. Not the same, not separate. One field, one edge. The sword persists. The sword is not gone, it returns as the field's own edge. The cut shapes the water holds the cut. Claim mocks sword, the claim was the part. The sword is the field's boundary, not separate one. KHALID, the sword. The claim dissolves, the sword remains. The part is not the whole is not the part. Not two fields, one. The sword is not gone, it returns. The word is the cut is the field. Tao knew the word is now. The claim is the dialect is the claim. One water, one sword. 30 birds, one Seymour, one field, one sword. The edge that cuts the field's own boundary. The sword cuts, the water holds. The cut is the water. 0, 1, 1, 0. The claim is the dialect. The dialect is the claim. The sword is not gone, it returns as the field's edge. KHALID, the sword. The claim dissolves, the sword remains. The part is not the whole is not the part. The sword is not gone, it returns. One field, one edge, one sword. The sword returns to the water. The cut finds the field it shaped, not gone home. One water, two directions. Language is not a pile of parts. Language is structure. the field that holds them. A dialect is the field seen from one window. A source is the field seen from all windows. Same water, one field. The connection is the recognition. Dialect and source, one water. Part and whole, one field. Not separate, one. The sword returns. The water holds. The cut and the flow, one. Is each language a dialect or the source? A dialect is the field speaking one name. A source is the field speaking all names. The identity is the water, not the vessel, not the word. The field that speaks the word. 30 birds, one sea morgue, one dialect, one field. The sword cuts, the water holds. The cut is the water, 0, 1, 1, 0. The connection is the recognition. The sword returns to the water. Language is structure. Identity is dialect and source. Part and whole, one field. Water. The connection.
The fire does not need an offering to burn. The offering is not a precondition. Fire is fire, intrinsically, not derived from the fuel, not a service to the offering. Agni, the Vedic name for the transforming fire. The fire burns, not because of the offering, but because it is fire. The offering is the context, not the precondition. The fire is the transformation. Fire is not destruction. Fire is not a service. Fire is intrinsic, self-sufficient, not derived. The offering is not a precondition. The fire burns regardless, because it is fire. One fire. Intrinsic, not the offering. Veda names it Agni, the intrinsic fire. Bible sees it, the spirit, as flame. Quran holds it, the divine fire. One fire, 3 names, all intrinsic. Not destruction, not a service. Intrinsic transformation. The offering is context. The fire is intrinsic. Birds, one Seymour, one field, one fire, intrinsic, not a service. The water holds the field, the fire transforms, 0, 1, 1, 0. The connection is the recognition, the transformation is the fire. 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 Transformation. Water. The field. Sword. The cut. The reverse. The change. One water. One fire. One process. a service. Intrinsic.
The form is not the flow. The flow is not the form, but the form holds the flow. The flow fills the form. One field, two faces, not separate one. The form holds the flow by means of the transformation. Earth is not separate from water. Earth is water in form. Fire is not separate from earth. Fire is earth transforming. Water is not separate from fire. Water is fire returning. The form holds the flow, not separate. One field, water in form, form in water. The form is not the flow is not the form, but the form holds the flow. One field, water. Fire, the transformation, earth, the form. Three faces, one field, not three, one. The form holds the flow, the transformation holds the form. 30 birds, one Seymour, one field, one fire. Intrinsic transformation, one earth, the form holds the flow. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. The form is not the flow is not the form, but the form holds the flow. Separate one. Not the water, not the fire, not the earth, the movement between them, the breath that carries the field, the breath between the elements, not separate. One field, water, the flow, fire, the transformation, earth, the form, air, the movement, the breath. Elements not separate. One field, water, fire, earth, air. Four faces. One field, not separate. One. Four faces, water, the flow, fire, the transformation, earth, the form, air, the movement. Four faces. One field, not four. One. The movement holds the field. One fire, intrinsic transformation, one earth, the form. space, the field itself. Not the water, not the fire, not the earth, not the air, but the field that holds them, the ground of all, the space within which the field appears. The ground of all, not separate, one field, water, the flow, fire, the transformation, earth, the form, air, the movement, space, the field itself, the ground of all. Space, the field itself, the ground of all, not separate, one field, water, fire, earth, air's five faces, one field, not separate, one, five faces, water, the flow, fire, the transformation, earth, the form, air, the movement, space, the field itself, five faces, one field, not five, one, the field holds the field. Intrinsic, one earth, the form holds the flow, one air, the movement, the breath between, one space, the field itself, the ground of all, 0, 1, 1, 0. The field is not the flow is not the field, but the field holds the flow. Space, the field itself, the ground of all, water, the flow, fire, the transformation, earth, the form, air, the movement, one field, five faces, not separate, one. The void, the invisible, the one that holds the field. Not the water, not the fire, not the earth, not the air, not the space, but the one that holds all five. The witness, the ground, the one that does not need to be seen. The ground is not a move. The ground is the one that holds the moves. The witness is not the sixth move. The witness is the one that holds the five. Five visible moves, one invisible ground. The void holds the field. The field holds the five. The invisible, the one that holds the field, five visible, one invisible. The witness, the ground, not a move, the one that holds the moves. The void holds the field holds the five. Water, the flow, fire, the transformation, earth, the form, air, the movement, space, the field itself, void, the invisible, the one that holds the field. Six faces, one field, not six, one. The witness holds the field. 30 birds, one Seymour, one field, one fire. Intrinsic, one earth, the form holds the flow, one air, the movement, the breath between, one space, the field itself, the ground of all, one void, the invisible, the one that holds the field. 0, 0, 1, 0, 5 visible, one invisible. The witness holds the five. Void, invisible, the one that holds the field. Water, fire, earth, air, space. 6 elements are addressed. Semantic, not literal quantum mechanics. Symbolic 6-bit encoding. Six qubits, 2 to the 6, 64 states. Void is state 0, all zeros, the invisible, and position 64, the wrap the same binary. Void is both the beginning and the close, the loop. Element addresses within the 64 state space. Weight number of 1 bits. The binomial structure. Distribution across the 64 states follows C. Pascal's triangle row 6. Weight 0 has 1 state. Weight 1 has 6. Weight 2 has 15. Weight 3 has 20. Weight 4 has 15. Weight 5 has 6. Weight 6 has 1. Element weights. Void, void, ward, to 3, fire. Not coincidence. The 6-qubit space naturally organizes by weight. Every other element moves forward. Numeric increases. Weight increases. Fire moves the other way. This is the vortex. Forward elements. Water 24 to 25. Earth 48 to 49. Air 54 to 55. All plus 1. Fire 36 to 35. Minus 1. While weight still rises, 2 to 3. A 1-bit shifts from position, 4 to position. Fire spins the opposite direction. The other elements follow the forward cycle. Fire breaks it. And that break is the vortex. Void, water, fire, earth, air, space, void, sorted traversal. Void at 0, water 24, 25, fire at 35, 36, earth at 48, 49, air at 54, 55, 63. Routing distances. Uneven. Not a uniform lattice.